What's up, YouTube? Here in beautiful Appalachia today. Here it is, the WR450F, the El Cheapo project, as I named it. It was really the cheapest I'd ever gotten a bike when I got this 3 or 4 years ago. It's picked it up for 500 bucks. You can go back and watch some of those old videos and watch me rebuild this thing and struggle with it and all that stuff. The reason I bought it for 500 bucks is because I had tons of parts laying around for a YZ450 somebody had gave me. So long story short, I rebuilt it. I struggled with this thing for several years. I just kept putting it to the side, never had time for it. And I finally figured out what it was that entire time. It was a tooth out of time because my cam chain had apparently stretched, so my dots didn't line up perfect anymore. So when I was timing the dots, I wasn't paying attention to what the lobes looked like on the back, and they were just a little bit off. So that was causing the catch and the kicker. It was harder to kick, harder to start. Would not electric start, and now it starts fine. So beautiful day today, and we're going to test ride it. We're going to put it through its paces, and if it passes today's test, we're ready to start throwing some money into this. It's going to be you know, my performance dual sport, my what I like to call my poor man's 500 EXC KTM. So let's ride today. I haven't been on the trails for 5 or 6 weeks. They're probably extremely overgrown. So yeah, let's just go check them out. Yeah, pretty overgrown, very green, needs some trimming. I don't think I'll be riding this bike on a lot of single track, but I'm keeping the option of the Recluse in the back of my mind, just in case I want to. Oh yeah. You can hardly even see the trail anymore. crazy how much it's grown up. You should put your vent hose on.
Oh, it was on.
Dude, this is like wild.
That back in there is not too bad. I guess where we had it so churned up with the 300s. There's some limbs in your face and stuff that can be easily solved. This down here.
It's just where this is in the sun and that's in the shade. But it's crazy how much difference is in 5 weeks. It's been like 4 or 5 weeks since I've been out here. My clutch finger is already hurting.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm just on it the whole time. Like if I was gonna ride this stuff on this regularly, I'd have to do recluse.
I'm so on the clutch all the time anyway, like it doesn't. Pretty great. How's the WR running for you?
Great, fantastic. Yeah, it's running fantastic. I was gonna say let's run over to the turn track and make a couple lines for Weston. Get that out of the way. Uh-oh. Definitely ain't gonna start it in gear, is it? There we go. What are you doing kicking, bud?